Once a week I keep this kind of a session where for a while I cut down myself with outer world and pamper my body and soul, and this time I'm pampering my skin with Innisfree. First up, we're gonna start by cleansing our face first. Formulated with green tea and triple amino acid complex, this creamy cleansing foam effortlessly eliminates dirt, impurities, makeup and sunscreen while simultaneously providing hydration, leaving your skin soft, clean and nourished. Gentle yet effective cleanse with green tea cleanser that never strips away essential moisturize, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and supple. And I'm gonna use the sheet mask. Infused with an innovative, clean, natural formula, this sheet mask rapidly recharges the skin with hydration. The mask works its magic by replenishing moisturizer, leaving your skin healthy, radiant and glowing. While the sheet mask is on, I'm gonna do journaling for a while. Here I burn a candle first to set a mood, playing my personal favorite playlist, and I just let my emotions come out. While I'm doing this since I was in school, this is food to my soul, and you will feel how calming and therapeutic this is after doing this only. So it's almost 18 to 20 minutes and now I'm gonna remove the sheet mask. I'm gonna pat my face like this so that जो भी leftover serum है वो बहुत जल्दी से फेस पे अच्छी तरह से absorb हो. This is how my skin is feeling after a good pampering session, soft, nourished and juicy. I will see you soon. Bye bye.